Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use SnatchIt to boost your affiliate sales and increase your conversions. Okay, so let's get started and log in into SnatchIt. The first thing you will see is the dashboard area. We will get back to it because it is empty for now because it is a new account. So let's just get started by creating a CTA. Go to the created CTA menu and hit new element. Enter a project name. Let's say I have laptop deal and hit next. This will ask you to select the type of CTA you want. You can select button, you can select text type, you can select image, you can select form, or you can select video. Okay, so as you can see, as you click a CTA, this will open and preview your CTA right here, and you can customize the CTA right from this form right here. For now, let's just go ahead and create a image CTA. Let's just upload image. Okay, so I have uploaded this image right here about hot deal of laptop, and this is where I will place my affiliate link. Let's say this is my affiliate link, and I will click submit. So the element is created. Now it's time to create the project. Here you will enter your target URL. Okay, so I have this blog right here that I can use. Just paste this blog. This is about from TrackRadar about best laptops of 2020, and you can see this is how it will look with your offer right here. Let's just create the seed. Okay, the seed has been created. You can copy this seed and view it right here. Okay, so this is how it will look. When you click this, you will be redirected to your affiliate link. So now you can share this this link right here to your customers and generate real sales directly, and you can always share it directly to social media from right here. You can share it to more than 200 social media platforms directly. Now it's time to create a form. Let's just go to created CTA section and create a new form, and let's just go ahead and select the form type. This is where you can select the profile. Let's just go and select a dark profile because the website I will be using is in light theme. So let's just enter the brand name. As you can see, as soon as I change this is being updated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this up pretty quickly and change it to subscribe and upload my logo. Okay, so the form is ready, and now just go ahead and submit the form, and the form is created. Let's say just go to create new project, and from your elements select the form you want. The element you created, I have created this form element. As you can see, it's being placed right here, and let's just go ahead and copy this blog, this WebMD website with this 10 ways to lose weight article, and click create. Okay, so this seed has been created. Now you can open this seed, and when somebody opens this seed, your form will be placed right on their website, and you can subscribe right here. When somebody subscribes, he will be taken to a success page, the thank you page, and in the created seed section, you can always go to this view subscribers button to view the subscribers that you have that have subscribed to your form. In the created seed section, there are some more stats like visitors and clicks. So how many people have visited this URL and how many people have clicked on it. So this is the stats. Another option with SnatchIt is to create a custom form. You can go to generate form section and fill out this form to create a new form that you can embed into your website directly. I have created some forms that you can view right here. This is the form I created, and you can view the subscribers right from here, and you can embed it directly right from here into your website. So this was it for SnatchIt. I hope you have learned a lot about how to increase your affiliate sales. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.